Welcome! It's time to celebrate the season of tricks and treats! The sights, the sounds! Ooh, and what's this, you ask? Well, let me show you. We'll call out the spirits to socialize. After all, my friend, this is Halloween!
Restless bones, million lives. Rise the spooks of every size. Bringing ghosts come out to socialize. When the crypt doors creak and the tombstones quake, spooks come out for a swing and wake. Happy haunts materialize and begin to vocalize. Grim ghosts come out to socialize. High on a dead oak tree, spooks arrive for the midnight spree. Creepy start to sing and harmonize. Grim ghosts come out and socialize. This is Halloween, Halloween, Halloween. Boys and girls of every age, wouldn't you like to see something strange? Come with us and you will see. It's our world of Halloween. Oh, this is Halloween, this is Halloween. Pumpkin scream in the dead of night. This is Halloween, everybody sing trick or treat till the neighbors go to drive right. This is Halloween, this is Halloween, 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 Halloween. This world we call home. Everyone hail to the pumpkin song. Happy Halloween, darlings! This is what I live for. It's such a wicked time of year, isn't it? And I have just the spell to put us all in the mood. Lucas of Rugelkamp, winds of the Caspian Sea. The Princess Narcidus, Max Laryngitis, a portrait to me. Now sing. Sing! Sing! Fortunate souls in pain, in need. Yes. For fortunate souls, so sad, so true. For unfortunate souls. Well, I can feel. She doesn't scare you no more than a will. To see her is to take a stand. Who I have a lump of woozles very sly. They come in ones and twos, bad day, so choose us. Before your eyes you'll see them multiply. Elephants on parade, the clown every holiday. They're here, and every elephant's everywhere. Big elephants on parade!
Life's no fun without a good scare. Look at how these men in the air.
Who's afraid of the big bad wolf? Who's afraid of the big
You call that magic? Move, old boy, and let Mr. Oogie kick it up a notch. Well, what have we here? A trick-or-treater, huh? Oh, I'm really scared. So you're the ones they're talking about. When Mr. Oogie Boogie says there's trouble close at hand, you better pay attention now, 'cause I'm the Boogie Man. Hey! I say Oogie Boogie! I say Oogie Boogie! I say Oogie Boogie Boogie Boo! I say Oogie Boogie Boogie Boo! Whoa! Whoa! 'Cause I'm the Oogie Boogie Man! Oh, yeah! Well, all right! It's so scary! Yeah, yeah!
Why, we've only begun to heat things up. Let's show them just how spirited an All Hallows Eve celebration can really be!
And now I've saved the best for last. The Halloween Scream-Along. You're all invited to scream like you're trying to wake the dead. Ah! Come on, Zero! We'll take flights to new heights! This is Halloween! This is Halloween! 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 Everybody scream! Everybody scream! Scary! Happy, happy Halloween! When the bridge doors creak and the clothes doors quake, throws come out for a sweating wake. Happy hearts materialize and begin to vocalize. The pretty ghost I know you're all just dying to come back and celebrate with us again. Happy Halloween, everybody! Ah!